tell you, that's when you have to tell me, hey, this kind of trouble's only just begun. I tell myself too many times, why don't you ever learn to keep your big mouth shut? That's why it hurts so bad to hear the words that keep on falling from your mouth, falling from your mouth, falling from your mouth. Tell me why, why? Tell me why? I may be mad, I may be polite, I may be vicious and kind, but I can still read what you're thinking. You're thinking. Heard it said too many times that you'd be better off besides. Why can't you see this boat is sinking, this boat is sinking, this boat is sinking? Let's go down to the water's edge and we can cast away those clouds. Some things are better left unsaid, but they're still turning inside out, turning inside out, turning inside out. Tell me why, why? Tell me why, why? This is the book